Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be talking about a very interesting concept called as a buyer's journey, which really helps us look into the minds of our customers and understand all their needs, their pain points and the thought process that they go through before they decide to buy a product with us. So if we are running a business and if we want to be really profitable and give proper value to our customers, then buyer's journey is something that we should prepare in order to understand them better. So what is a customer journey or a buyer's journey? A buyer's journey is the stages that our customers go through before deciding to buy the product with us. The more we understand about the thought process our buyers go through, from the moment they have a problem to the stages where they research and understand about their problems and its solutions, and then eventually decide to buy our products or our services. So why do we need to do this? Apart from the obvious reason that this helps us understand them better, this also helps us be there for them every step of the journey to guide them and help them understand their problems and present all the potential solutions to them, and then do a proper analysis to help them decide better. In addition to this, we also get to gain their trust and get a really good brand reputation, which will help with our conversions or making our sales. So what are the general stages of a buyer's journey? Awareness stage. This is a stage in the buyer's journey where they are just aware of the problem that they have. People in this stage are usually looking for more information about the problem and aren't really interested in hearing about our products or services. They are concerned, and the kind of questions they seek answers to is different, and hence the content should be tailored according to their needs, so we are more relatable and reliable to them. Here's an example of a person in awareness stage of a buyer's journey. For instance, if you are having troubles with your teeth, then in the awareness stage you will ask questions like, why do my teeth hurt when I drink cold beverages? The next stage comes after the awareness stage is the consideration stage. It is the stage that the buyers actually define their problems properly and seek to explore all the potential solutions to the problem. This is the stage where the customers are exposed to all the products that's available in the market. They are not yet ready to be sold on any of the products or services. They are just exploring and understanding the pros and cons of all the solutions they see on the internet. Here's an example. How do I get rid of cavities? Someone who first asked, why do my teeth hurt, now has defined the problem properly. The stage that comes after the consideration stage is the decision stage. This is the stage where the buyer has decided on an approach or a method of solution and is looking for a list of companies or services to provide this solution for them. For instance, where can I get root canal surgery in New York? How much does it cost? It is at this stage where people actually decide or compare between us and all our competitors' products and decide based on their financial status and whatever it is. All they will consider every factor there is to consider, and that is why this stage is called as the decision stage. So it makes sense, right? So first someone is having a problem and they are in the awareness stage and they are looking for more information about the problem itself, so they could properly define or put a label on that problem. So that is awareness stage. And then comes the consideration stage where people have defined their problems and they are just exploring all the solutions that's out there. They haven't made up their mind about any product or services. They might even be looking for homemade solutions or some solutions that does not really require them to buy our products or services, and that is called as the consideration stage. They consider all the options that's in front of them, and then comes the decision stage. This is the stage where the buyer has decided on a solution. So at the end of consideration stage, people choose a way of solution, and in the decision stage they will look for companies or services or whatever ways it is to get that solution done. So how can companies make use of this buyer's journey in their marketing efforts? Or the important thing that we need to take from here is, now that we understand the kind of keywords or the key phrases or the kind of questions that people have in each of these stages, we need to create content in accordance to that and write it in a way that someone in the awareness stage should be given informational blocks targeting keywords in the awareness stage, but it should not be salesy at all, and no products should be mentioned anywhere in there. Just focus on educating your customers about the problem. And in the consideration stage, you will have to, even though you have a service or a product, you might have to give them all the other solutions for that problem that they are having, that your product solves as well. So you can use your product or service as one of the solutions, and it's up to the customers to decide which solution they want to go through. And when it comes to the decision stage, so if you are there for your customers during the awareness stage and the consideration stage, the chances are they are going to buy your product or the services if they decide to take the paid route or the solution that you are offering. Makes sense, right? So this way we get to gain their trust as well as serve our customers right from the beginning, where they had a problem, to you're giving them the solution. So this is buyer's journey for you guys. Hope this video really helped, and if you found this video really valuable, then do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such engaging content. And I hope this animated form of videos are even more visually pleasing as well as more easy for you guys to understand. Give your comments about this down below as well, so I'll continue to use this for the further upcoming videos. Thank you guys, have a great day.